In this video, you'll learn how to easily integrate Asana and Notion, two powerful tools for project management and organization. By the end of this guide, you will have established a seamless connection between these platforms to enhance your workflow. Start by navigating to the Asana website in your preferred web browser. Once there, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your Asana workspace. After successfully logging in, identify the projects or tasks that you wish to sync with Notion. It is important to ensure that these tasks are consistently structured, as integrations rely on clean data to function effectively. Next, you will need to use third-party integration tools to connect Asana and Notion. Popular options include Zapier and Make, both of which allow for easy automation between different applications. Visit the website of your chosen tool and create an account if you do not already have one. Once logged in, look for an option to create a new integration or Zapier. This will guide you through the process of linking your Asana and Notion accounts. During the setup process, you will be prompted to choose triggers, such as task creation in Asana. Select the appropriate trigger and then proceed to map the fields between Asana and Notion. This step is crucial as it ensures that the correct data flows between the two platforms. After completing the mapping, save your settings. You may need to authorize the connection between Asana and Notion by logging into both accounts during this process. After establishing the integration, it's essential to test the workflows to confirm that syncing works as intended. Create a test task in Asana and check if it appears in Notion. If everything is functioning correctly, monitor the data accuracy regularly to ensure that tasks remain aligned between both tools. Should you make any structural changes in your projects, remember to update your automations accordingly. This will help you avoid any manual duplication of efforts and maintain a smooth workflow. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.